Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to learn all two shortcut key in a few seconds in Camtasia video editing software. Let's see. So, for instance, when you open up your Camtasia video editing software and you don't want to be going around clicking on different effects, you just want to use your keyboard to go in and navigate to different tool with shortcut key. For that, what you want to do is to come to the top right there to learn all these. Click on view, then go ahead and click on here. Then you have all shortcut key right here. If you press F on your keyboard, it takes you to Favorite. D take you to Media Bin. E take you to Camtasia Asset. R take you to Library. Annotation. N take you to Annotation, where you get call out, arrow shapes, blur and highlight, sketch motion and strokes. Then X take you to Effects tab, T take you to Transition tab, A take you to Animation tab, O take you to Behavior, Cursor Effect, Audio Effect, V take you to Voice Narration, and C take you to Closed Caption or Dynamic Captions right here, as far as this is concerned. So let's take a look at how let's practice it and see how this actually works in Camtasia. If you press X, so it takes you to Effect tab. You press N, it takes you to Annotation tab. So if you continue to press N, it will take you to different tabs available under the annotation, just like so. If you press T, it will redirect you back to Transition Library in Camtasia video editing software. It's that simple. This helps you to improve your workflow by navigating around with just your keyboard key. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you